Greetings. In this video, we are going to look at how to generate presentations using artificial intelligence. So to begin off, you go to your browser and search for Decktopus. And then this is it, Decktopus AI. You click on this. Okay, so as soon as it loads, it will tell you to put in the type of presentation that you want. Okay, so then you put in the topic of the presentation that you want to generate. Then you click here to generate my presentation. So there it will then ask you to sign up before you proceed. So you can either use email here, or if you're signing in with your Google address in your computer, you click to continue and sign up with Google. Then you select that Google account that you want to proceed with, which is here. So then they'll ask you who is your audience. Then you decide, is it for digital marketing professionals? This is dependent on the topic of the presentation that you need. So you select accordingly. For this, I'll put social media managers, then click next. Then the main aim for this presentation. So you select here accordingly. I'll pick this to provide the best practical tips. All this you're doing to help the tool customize it to the best presentation that it can generate for you. Then also, how long do you intend for this presentation to be? 10, 25, or 40 minutes? So you select. So here is where you pick a template of how the presentation is going to appear, and don't worry, you can always change the design as you're editing, as we're going to see. Click this and then click here to generate presentation. Give it a few seconds, ensuring that you have a good internet connection as it generates for you presentation. All right, so these are the slides that it has generated according to information that you put in, and the topic, the length, and who you're targeting with this. So below here are the different slides, and you can see what it has given you. Section. So you're free to also edit any element within each of the slides here. So for example, as long as you click on that text, you can always edit it. And as you can see, any other text I'm adding is being reflected there. So you just click on slide that you want. You edit the title, for example, introduction. Your own. You customize it to fit your taste. Like that. So in case you want to add an image into any of the slides, you can come here where we see this icon, add an image. This could be your icon that you want. that you want to add into each of the slides. Then we have also different fonts here on family. In case you want to change any of the fonts, this is where you can do it from. So these are the different slide layouts that you can pick from. So basically, you're able to change everything in the slide here. Here is where you can change the image. You can add an image here. For example, this. So that is your image there, and you can scale it to fit properly. Okay, so you can go making changes to each of the slides here, and when you are done, just ensure that you look at all of the slides. In case there's any other slide that you want to add, click here, add a slide, and here is where you pick the layout. For example, this. And then you're able to edit it as well. So you edit the title. Okay. So we have different features here. To download any of these, here is the PowerPoint presentation. You will need to upgrade. So in case you want to download, you'll need to upgrade. But the good thing, you can also present from here as well within the tool. Okay. You're able to do a slideshow and present from the tool itself. Okay, so in case you want to present to a number of people in slideshow, that is how you can put it. So you give it a few seconds to load here. These are your slides, and all you need to do is press the next arrow key to go to each of your slides. And you can copy this link to your presentation and share it with anyone who you'd want to access this. So that is how you can use a Decktopus, an AI tool, to generate presentation slides.